NBC4 News at 4 starts now.
Breaking developments just in. A Santa Clarita man is the first shooting victim to take action against the Las Vegas gunman. Travis Phippen was shot, his father killed in the attack, and now he is seeking justice. NBC4's Robert Kovacic was the only reporter with him inside court, and he joins us now live with this story for the first time. Robert.
Carolyn, we just left the county courthouse here in downtown Las Vegas. This is what has just been filed. The first page reads in part that it regards the people who have lost their lives and countless others who have suffered harm, distress, or loss due to Stephen Paddock's actions, now to freeze his assets. NBC4 outside the courthouse in downtown Las Vegas this afternoon as the magnitude of the moment suddenly overwhelms a 24-year-old Santa Clarita paramedic.
We don't want this to happen to anybody else.
With a bullet still in his arm from Stephen Paddock's gun, Travis Phippen is now the first concert victim to file a lawsuit against the Paddock estate.
This is an action for the benefit of all the victims to preserve these assets.
Attorney Richard Patterson has arrived from Valencia to represent Travis and encouraging those who were injured or the families who lost loved ones to join them in the suit. NBC4, the first to obtain the petition once it was filed, seeking a special administrator to marshal any assets of the decedent for safekeeping pending further instructions of this court. The 5-page document names Paddock's girlfriend, Mary Lou Danley, and his brother, Eric Paddock, as possible heirs. It states the only known asset at the present time is Stephen Paddock's home in Mesquite, Nevada. Though NBC News has learned Paddock reported $5 million in income in 2015, mostly from gambling.
We were there Friday, Saturday, and unfortunately Sunday night.
We introduced you to Travis Phippen for the first time earlier this week. Travis at the concert with his father, both jumping into action.
My dad and I jumped on these girls that were in front of us, and I started crawling towards people that were wounded. I started taking off people's belts and using them as tourniquets, and he was covering this girl, and he got shot.
56-year-old John Phippen died in his son's arms.
He told me that he loved me, and he wanted everybody to know how much he loved them, and he wanted me to tell them that. That was the last thing he said to me.
Now Travis promising to represent his dad in death. When we see you later this afternoon, we have spoken with another member of the Phippen family you're going to hear for the first time. And NBC4 has learned this is just the beginning. There is more legal action coming in the wake of the massacre here in Las Vegas. I'm Robert Kovacic. Michael, that's the latest from here.